No.
Oh.
Do they have their names written on the egg?
No, it's a free-for-all.
What's this right over here? Is that an egg?
Make sure to leave some for your brother.
I know I am.
Found one.
You want me to hold one of your buckets?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna leave that. I don't want
What's this over here?
to. Ooh.
What's that? Is that an
There's
egg?
so many grass.
Whoa.
Owen.
Hey, Owen. Beauty. What's that over there?
See, I am leaving some for Owen.
Hey, good boy. That's a beauty. Let's go around this way. Oh, 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 look over there. Oh.
Good deal. I think that's all over here. I don't think there's any more over this way.
Oh yeah, there is. There's one hiding in rocks, I see.
Is there one there?
Rock.
Did you find one? Good job, buddy. Yeah, come on. Let's go look at the... What about over here? Did we look over here? Come here, Owen. Owen. Come here. Come here.
Hey, now let Owen find it.
He is.
Owen, here's the egg for you. Oh, thank you, Owen. You're welcome.
When came along and
Here's it tied all over in this place.
it's different.
Hey, Odie, are there any out here in the grass? Up over here? What about over here? Right there, whoa!
Here you go.
Have they been on by the kitchen?
They haven't been on the other side.
What's up here? Oh, I'll get it for you.
I don't want in the tree. Oh, wait. There's one in here.
Too fast. Grandpa can't take pictures.
I'm carrying my egg.
Oh, you're a good boy, Evan.
Missed one over there.
Wow, look at that bush. That's a nice bush. I have such great embarrassing Easter egg hunt videos. Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, wow. Is there more? Mom,
Hey, I got your bucket full.
Mom,
I think he needs a new bucket.
Mom. You know what, Mom?
I don't want to walk in my house.
You know what, Mom?
Did we?
I shared some of my eggs with Owen.
That was very nice.
Did we find them over here? Oh, look at that.
Oh, I see one.
Look at that plant.
Isn't that a pretty plant right there?
Yeah, that was hit good, wasn't it?
Mine.
Evan, have you been to the other side of the house?
That side?
Yeah, have you been over there?
No.
Oh, yep, go behind the truck. Come on, this way.
all around in here.
I'm trying to film it. Oh, here's another one for you. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I know. I shared it. Go in the backyard and see. Ooh. I found one.
Here. Go up on the deck. There's none in the grass, okay? Go up on the porch. I saw the Easter bunny and he didn't hide it in the grass back here. Up these steps, Owen. Look up here. I saw the bunny up on the porch.
I found one in the bushes.
Oh, that turkey bunny.
There's a more eggs. More.
No, don't use carrots in there.
I think that,
grilled Easter egg.
That might be them all.
I think I got them all.
I think they might have.